Hey, boss babes, it's Michelle coming back at you. I found a really good example of someone in direct sales sort of segueing into becoming an affiliate for other companies while still remaining faithful to her direct sales company. And it was particularly interesting to me because it's someone from Saint, which is a company that's been impacted recently. They've gone from a direct sales model to an affiliate model, and I'll explain that more in a second. But I want you to kind of see her transition, and maybe it will help you more fully understand what I'm talking about and not think that it's being disloyal to your company, and also maybe give you some inspiration for what you could do next. So here's the story. I was just checking my feed today, and I saw an Amazon influencer post some of her favorite outfits, and I thought those are really cute. So I was looking through her post, and I just decided to look through her feed, and I realized that I was on her personal profile. Okay. So that is interesting. This is a segue. Apparently that when you become a public figure, you can promote products on your personal profile. I need to find out more about that, because we usually talk about how your business is on your business page, your personal profile, has to be more like your opinion and stories and stuff like that. But anyway, so on her personal profile, she has 15,000 followers slash friends. She talks about her Amazon business quite a bit. And so I was scrolling through, and then I saw her referring to Saint Makeup. And so I thought, so she must be a consultant. And, so I kept investigating. And I ended up looking up her business page for, okay, so I looked up her business page, and the first few posts I'm going to show you in a second are things like her as an Amazon influencer, her as someone who can suggest jewelry for you. But then there are also still posts about how amazing Saint Makeup is, and shows some before and afters and stuff. And then I go down a little bit further, and it shows that she just got a trip to Europe from Saint. So here's what I'm thinking. I don't know this person. Everything that I access is public information, so I don't think there's a problem with that. But I would assume that she has a team, because usually if you're going to win a trip or a car or something like that, you've got a team. So think of it like this. She's been with Saint Makeup. She is successful as a consultant slash team leader, director, manager, whatever they are. So much so that she earned a trip to Europe. And at some point, she started to segue and start talking to her audience about, it started with the dress that she was going to wear to an awards ceremony. Like, hey, help me pick out this dress. And then over time, she started, suggesting, or, hey, look at this necklace. Isn't it amazing? You've been asking me where I got it. This is where I got it. And so I could see kind of the transition starting from just talking about her brand, Saint, to, hey, this is a group of women who know, like, and trust me and are interested in my opinion and my style and my taste. So I'm going to share with them, like I would a girlfriend, where I found this really pretty sweater, or the great deal that I got on this necklace, et cetera, because it still falls under that umbrella of things that women who follow her are interested in. And so what I'm getting at is that I don't know when she knew that Saint was going to stop paying her for her team, but that happened. Okay. So in one fell swoop, she loses her downline. And I don't know if the commission amount is the same as an affiliate as it is for, or was for, as a consultant. I'm guessing not. If you know the answer, let me know, because affiliates usually make 2 to 10%. Rarely you'll make 20%. As a consultant, you're usually making 30 to 50%. So all of that gone instantly for her. Okay. I think there's still, no, I think that's already a done deal. Okay, so that's already happened. So, however, she already has an Amazon storefront. I don't know what kind of jewelry it is that she promotes, but she has that. I saw her do like a little commercial for Lange hair tools. So she's got these other avenues of income already set up. Okay. So let me just kind of show you now that I've given you the backstory. So this is her personal profile, 15,000 followers. And this was this Amazon post that I saw. I'm like, oh, that's cute. And then I saw, a bunch of other sweaters. And so I was just curious. And so I hope I don't make you dizzy because I want to go down quite a ways. So these are all Amazon finds. So she is, focusing on her Amazon storefront as she should. Here she's talking about how 5 years ago she posted her first selfie from Saint as a customer. So that was got me thinking like, okay, so when did she become a consultant? So anyway, I was, looking at her cute stuff and I was getting some inspiration for myself for my own Amazon storefront. And then I saw these coffee mugs from all over Europe. So that kind of I was like, what's this about? And all right, so here's her post about the amazing trip that she was gifted from Saint. And so you can read that on your own if you care to. So that's when I kind of hopped over and I thought, well, let me look at her business page. So here's her business page. And this is interesting how she's built up her personal profile more so than her business page. So that's a story for another day. I'll have to look into that my own self. But anyway, so here she is, showing different outfits and stuff. And so keep in mind, this is her page, her business page that was originally for her makeup brand, okay? But at some point, she expanded, all right? So it's makeup, hair, and more. And she's showing these super cute outfits, but she is still showing Saint products. Why? Because she's still an affiliate. So she can still make money with them, but she's making money with them and Amazon and other places. So let me see if I can find a couple other examples of things. All right, I'm getting lots of requests for this necklace. I grabbed it from Amazon, super affordable and looks awesome. So her group has, connected with her in a personal way. And so, whereas in the past, she pretty much only focused on makeup and makeup tips. And also take note of this that she doesn't just say, like, hey, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. I mean, there's lots of, here are some tips for mature skin, for mature makeup applications, step by step, that kind of stuff. So, you've always want to provide value. That is the thing. But I hope that you are kind of seeing my point that at some point she saw that she could bring more to her group than just the makeup that she sold, that they actually appreciated it when she kind of said, this is where I got this really cute necklace. And she started to realize that there was a demand for people to see outfits on a real person from Amazon. And so, my encouragement to you is to start thinking about the brands and the products that you are loyal to and that you are passionate about. Look into the possibility of becoming an affiliate for them. And assuming that that kind of falls under the umbrella of the audience that you serve, start introducing that in your social media. And a great place to start is with Amazon. Now, she's an Amazon influencer. You have to be an influencer to have a storefront, but you can very easily start as an affiliate. All you need to be an affiliate is any place where you can post a link online. So if you have a Facebook public page, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, an Instagram account, any of that stuff, you will pretty much automatically be accepted into the Amazon affiliate program. And that is a great first step. So if you have questions, let me know. If you know this person, give her my kudos. But I just think that it's time for us to start expanding our horizons, to be open to the possibility of additional avenues of income. There's nothing wrong with it. And if you're taking the time to establish a following on social media, why not? Why not also serve them by introducing them to other things that you love and get paid for it? Okay. So I hope that kind of wets your whistle because I think more than ever, we need to take advantage of the additional streams of income that are out there for us. So that's it. Just quick and simple. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon.